Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create files using Salesforce Apex. We may have a requirement where we wanted to create files using Apex. So in this video we are going to cover that topic. The important thing to note is whenever we want to create a file in Salesforce using Apex, the content of the file should be in base 64 encoded value. So first what I'm doing is I'm creating a base 64 content. In order to create a base 64 content, I'm using Salesforce standard encoding util dot base 64 encode. So this class and method will convert this particular text whatever I am entering here into base 64 content. So, I'm entering some extra characters. So this blob dot value will convert this string into blob, and encoding dot util dot base 64 encode method will convert this blob value into base 64 content. So now my base 64 content is ready. Next I am just adding a debug statement to find out what is and how it is looking after the conversion. Next I am getting the blob content using the blob data type encoding util dot base 64 decode, because in the version data whenever we reference a value it should be in blob. So using encoding util dot base 64 decode, I am passing the string which is base 64 content. I'm converting that into blob value. If you wanted to find out what is the blob value, you can use toString method. So I'm using a system.debug statement to find out. And next I'm creating a content version record. Whenever we create a content version record, Salesforce automatically creates content document, and the content document ID will be there in the content version object. So in the content version I'm setting the title as test, path on client as test.txt, and version data is equal to blob content. So the blob content will come from here. So make sure you are sending a blob content here, not a text, and the blob should contain base 64 content. So that is key here. This is very important. This is where so many problems will arrive. So make sure you have base 64 content that is in blob format. So once you create, it will create a content document. Using the below query, get the content document ID, and using content document link, I am linking this document to this hard-coded account ID. So let's find out what is there in this account ID now. So this is the sample file. So let me delete this. So currently this account ID, which is hard-coded there, does not have any files. For clarification, let's give testing.txt, and the file will contain testing file from Apex. Let me execute it. Okay, the files are created and attached to the account. So let me refresh this. So testing file is created, and the file should contain testing file from Apex. So using this simple Apex code, I was able to create a text file using Salesforce Apex. In order to get this sample code, please do check video description. I will share my blog post. From the blog post you can get this sample code, and then you can build your uh, code. So this will be a very useful reference for you. So please do check video description for my blog post. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.